Introducing the Brondell Swash Bidet Toilet Seat. Designed in the United States, the technologically advanced Swash not only provides the ultimate experience in bathroom hygiene, but also promotes a green, eco-friendly lifestyle by reducing usage of wasteful toilet paper and flushable wipes. Brondell Swash Bidet seats fit 98% of residential toilets and are easily self-installed onto your existing fixture, no plumber or professional required. All that's needed is a standard GFI electrical outlet in the bathroom. Create a spa-like experience in the comfort and privacy of your own home. Now let's explore the Brondell Swash 900 and 1000. The Swash's state-of-the-art design provides a level of personalization that ensures a perfect match for every user. Retractable dual stainless steel nozzles provide refreshing feminine and posterior washes. Before and after every use, the stainless steel nozzles perform an automatic self-cleaning cycle for enhanced hygiene. The nozzles can be adjusted to 5 different positions, as well as 3 spray width settings for maximum comfort. Your water pressure can be adjusted to 4 levels to ensure a gentle wash, perfect for sensitive areas. The Swash's aerated wash spray introduces micro bubbles into the water, providing the most effective cleaning. The tankless instant heating system offers an endless supply of warm water with 4 adjustable temperature settings. The ergonomic heated seat of the Swash 900 and 1000 can be set to off, low, medium, or high for added luxury and comfort. An automatic eco mode conserves energy by lowering the seat temperature while not in use. For added safety, the intelligent body sensor requires someone to be seated in order for the Swash to operate. Both the seat and lid are slow closing to prevent slamming. Unlike other bidet seats, every Swash model has a sturdy, sittable lid. The Brondell Swash is easy to clean and maintenance-free. Just press the quick release button to detach for simple removal and cleaning of the seat and toilet. Your Swash comes with an intuitive wireless remote which controls all features of the seat. The remote control attaches to the magnetic dock, which can be easily mounted to any surface. We've covered the share features for the Swash 900 and 1000 models. The following premium features are only found in the Swash 1000. An oscillation function provides a back and forth massage and cleanse during the wash cycle, ensuring a thorough and comfortable clean. The stainless steel nozzles can also be sterilized on demand utilizing nanotechnology. The adjustable warm air dryer has 3 temperature settings for a hands-free, paperless experience. The technologically advanced Swash 1000 also offers an unscented deodorizer which removes odor molecules at the source. All maintenance-free, nothing to replace, nothing to refill. As with all Brondell products, your Swash comes with a manufacturer's warranty, backed by our commitment to quality and industry-leading customer service. Create a healthy home with the Swash by Brondell.